Hey guys, Tyler here with Trailer Source, offering you more trailer for your money. What if I told you one of the best kept secrets in Clearfield, Utah isn't a coffee shop, isn't a burger joint, but a place full of trailers, golf carts, trailer parts, and service. We're gonna take you inside our newest location, Trailer Source in Clearfield, Utah. Welcome to our newest location in Clearfield, Utah. This is our 7th location, and we're super excited for all that we're going to do here. This is just the beginning of the vision we have. With 7 locations, it's kind of overwhelming to think of where we started in 2003 to where we are today. This building is over 6,000 square feet on 2 acres of property right in the heart of Clearfield, Utah. We're going to give you a little bit of a tour of the vision we have for this property and what we expect to achieve in the coming months. Let me take you inside real quick. Pretty awesome building here that we plan on having the latest and greatest in golf carts. We just got back from the PGA show in Orlando, Florida, and there we hooked up with some great manufacturers. We want to fill this with golf carts and maybe a trailer or 2 inside for customers to be able to come inside where it's a little warmer. It's freezing cold right now in Clearfield, and just be able to see what we have to offer. We have a great manager here who's out unloading a load right now as we speak. Actually, we're getting loads daily of trailers. Right now we have roughly 100 trailers in stock. We hope to double that in the coming months. But we also hope to have, roughly 20 different golf carts to choose from at the same time. We're turning this room here, excuse the mess, but we're getting going with making a parts showroom. Parts across the board have been done great for us, and especially our latest and greatest branded Trailer Source parts. We're gonna have a full display of those. David from Trusted Transporters? Hey, one of the many drivers that brings loads to us. We appreciate all you do. What do you think of our new location? It's not there yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah, it's nice. Easy to get to, easy to get out of.
All right, that's what we like to hear. One of the things I like about this place is you notice it's got numerous offices for different salespeople, but a great showroom out here. We plan on putting some golf carts on display. We've got a little reception area up front here. Excuse the mess. My wife decided to unload her car on the desk here. But we have a vision really of what we're gonna do here. Little reception area, TVs that'll be showing our videos throughout the showroom, and really think everything's kind of catered to helping you as the customer get the exact trailer you need. Oh, check it out. Our manager's entering the store right now. Let's talk a little bit about what we like about this place.
All right.
Sebastian's the manager of this location. He's here with us all the way from Tyler, Texas. Sebastian, good to have you here. New location, 7th location. We're all excited. What's kind of your excitement and vision for this location?
I'm super excited for this location. I think it's going to provide a much bigger base up in the northern region, kind of covering this northern region of Utah, and it's going to be good.
Yeah, we're super excited. I know we've got 7 locations we've talked about. Let me ask you, we got roughly 1,700 trailers in stock right now between all those locations. Let's say there's a trailer at another location a customer either finds or you find for them. What's the process?
Process is, let's get a deposit down on that. Let's get it up here. Let's get you in the trailer you want to be in.
Okay, so we can pull another trailer from any location?
Absolutely.
Awesome. I think in Clearfield in particular, we're going to offer a variety of aluminum trailers as well. Is that the plan?
Yes, that is open and closed. You name it, we have it.
Super stoked, super excited to have you, Sebastian. Thanks for being with us.
Yeah.
Beyond the sales floors and showrooms of each of our locations, keep in mind Trailer Source is also a hospital, a full-blown hospital for trailers. We can do repairs, we can do fixes, we can do upgrades. Let's take a look at what we have here at this Clearfield location. One thing we're really promoting and focusing on right now is parts and upgrades for all trailers. We have Trailer Source branded parts, which you can find a video on in our YouTube series. Those parts in particular have been tested, really filtered by all of our stores to offer the best possible product at the best possible price. Here at this location, we're getting ready to unload and unwrap our latest shipment of parts. We can bring trailers in here to do upgrades to. We can bring trailers in here to do fixes to. This is our trailer hospital at this location. Every location will have their own trailer hospital. These are some of our branded parts right here that just came in. Tongue boxes, locks, coupler locks, E-track, all that's available at every store. Again, this is our newest location in Clearfield, Utah, our 7th location. We're super excited, but we're just getting the ball rolling on it. We're knocking the cobwebs out and we're getting things dialed in. Give us a little more time. We hope to be doing a before and after video. In a few months, when we have a full inventory and we have our showroom all set up, we'll do another video to show you what we've done. Super grateful for all the customers we have, and we hope to earn your business going forward. Like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of what we got going and what our vision is for the future. In the meantime, thanks for checking in.